Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Okta Lifecycle policies for automated user provisioning. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update Okta Lifecycle policies for automated user provisioning, start by logging into your Okta admin console. Navigate to the admin section on the dashboard. Select Directory from the main menu. Click on Directory Integrations. Locate and select the integration you want to update. Once the integration page loads, click on the Profile tab. Scroll down to the Lifecycle section of the page. Here, you will see current Lifecycle policies listed. To modify a policy, click on the specific policy name. Review the policy's settings and requirements. Adjust parameters like user attribute mappings, lifecycle state triggers, and notification settings as needed. Make sure to adhere to your organization's provisioning needs during this process. Once modifications are complete, click Save to apply changes. A confirmation message will appear, indicating successful updates. After saving, review other lifecycle policies as necessary. Testing the updated policy is crucial to ensure it functions correctly. Consider creating a test user to evaluate the changes you implemented. Monitor the automated provisioning process to assess accuracy. If any issues arise, revisit the settings for adjustments. Documentation is key. Ensure you maintain records of changes for future reference. With all updates complete, inform your team about the new lifecycle policies. Regularly review these policies to keep them aligned with evolving organizational requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.